Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating and complex history of Somalia, a country with a rich heritage and a dynamic past. From ancient trade routes and powerful empires to colonialism and modern challenges, let's explore the history of Somalia in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Our journey begins with the ancient civilizations of Somalia. The region has been inhabited for thousands of years with evidence of early human settlements and rock art. Somalia was part of the land of Punt, an ancient kingdom known for its trade with Egypt and other civilizations. Punt was famous for exporting goods like frankincense, myrrh, and gold. By the 7th century, Arab traders had brought Islam to Somalia, which quickly became a dominant religion. The coastal cities of Mogadishu, Zayla, and Berbera flourished as important trade hubs, connecting Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. The spread of Islam also led to the rise of powerful sultanates, such as the Ajuran Sultanate, which ruled large parts of the Horn of Africa. In the late 19th century, the scramble for Africa saw European powers vying for control over Somali territories. Britain, Italy, and France each carved out their own colonies, leading to the establishment of British Somaliland, Italian Somaliland, and French Somaliland, now Djibouti. The colonization period saw significant infrastructure development but also resistance from local leaders and communities. After World War II, the push for independence gained momentum. In 1960, British Somaliland and Italian Somaliland gained independence and united to form the Somali Republic. This period was marked by optimism and efforts to build a unified nation. The post-independence era, however, was turbulent. In 1969, General Siad Barre seized power in a coup and established a socialist state. His regime faced numerous challenges, including clan rivalries and economic difficulties. By 1991, civil war erupted, leading to the collapse of the government and decades of instability. Despite ongoing conflicts and humanitarian crises, Somalia has shown resilience and efforts toward rebuilding and peace. Somalia's rich cultural heritage is reflected in its music, poetry, and art. The Somali people are known for their strong oral traditions and poetry, which play a vital role in society. Despite the challenges, Somali culture continues to thrive, and the diaspora contributes to global arts, sciences, and business. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the rich and complex history of Somalia in just 3 minutes. From ancient trade routes and powerful sultanates to colonialism and modern challenges, Somalia's story is one of resilience and cultural richness. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing history content. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Somalia. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.